I have been looking for the perfect thing to store my kids' keepsake items. I want to keep like baby blankets, their first outfits, just things that I know I'm going to be collecting throughout the years. And I found the perfect thing. It just got delivered, so let's open it and see what it looks like. It's kind of like a surprise for me too. It's been a while, so I don't remember the styles or color I picked out, but I found this company just scrolling on Instagram and immediately add to cart, check out. It's from a company called Petite Keep. They came in 2 large boxes, so let's get into it. Oh, I'm so excited. This one is Lincoln's. I got him like this beautiful baby blue color. First impression, the color is gorgeous. There's some embroidery inside and I can't wait to see it. Oh my goodness. Wow. It's honestly even better in person. I'm so happy I went with this fabric. I was torn. I wanted something timeless that's gonna grow with him, and I thought this would be really great since we live in Florida. His room is ocean surf inspired, and then you can pick the embroidery color. Just looks really high quality, and it's plushy, which I didn't know, so it's going to protect his items. I can't wait to fill it up with all of his little things. I'll do a separate video on that, but let's open up Kenzie's and see what hers looks like. The moment of truth. I'm so excited to see this one. Okay, yes. It is stunning. I love the fabric choice. This is called Darling Dogwood. I went back and forth. I wanted something more mature for her because I really do think this is going to grow with her into adulthood. Her name is like a champagne embroidery. And then on the outside, I did white. I wanted to do pink, but I just think this is classic and really elegant. She's going to love this. Oh my goodness. How cute do they look stacked on each other? They do come in different sizes. This is the petite trunk. It comes in a mini and a grand trunk also. However, I think this is the perfect size because it's not too big. It holds quite a lot of stuff and it doesn't take up too much space in their room. These are truly so special. I'm really happy with them. Great quality. I'm gonna have to find a way to keep them out of reach from my disgusting, sticky children. They'll thank me later in adulthood when they're clean and pristine still. But hopefully this gave you an idea if you've been looking for something similar.